I'm an imposter. Over my mind tells me I bleed life on the pages with my fingertips, and my voice is a lilting melody that tells the story of my life. So many people are counting on me to continue creating, and yet inside I feel completely useless, like a shadow on the wall. I'm hiding from the truth after all. A fragile soul, a delicate heart beating fast, torn apart. I put on a disguise to hide the fears that I can't deny. The weight of expectations high, a pressure cooker ready to ignite. But the words keep on flowing like a river to the sea, a symphony of emotions echoing wild and free. I'm a puppet on a string, dancing to the rhythm of my heart, trying to find my place in this world where the spotlight shines so bright from the start. In the silence, I hear my heartbeat, a drumbeat in the dark, a reminder that I'm still alive, and my story's yet to leave its mark. As long as my heart keeps beating, I will continue to create. I may feel like an imposter, but to believe it would be a mistake. I put on a disguise to hide the fears that I can't deny. The weight of a pressure cooker ready to ignite. I'm a puppet on a string, dancing to the